look at Sherry, your turn. Sherry, did you get started for your writing for the 2021 PDF?
Yeah.
Okay. You continue, okay?
Okay.
You need to finish the whole thing because this is actually a practice problem set helping you to get organized for your final exam. So in the past few years, they want you to submit this PDF, but now they don't. They actually would ask you in the exam for similar problems. So you must get prepared. The overall purpose, you can write a little bit longer, maybe 3 sentences.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this one I can help you. You can say that the factorization of the prime numbers is always the most important topic in the cryptography and the computer security. And many students do not know how to factorize a number. And this program is to help students to realize the way how the prime factorization is done.
Okay.
Something like that, okay?
Okay.
This purpose is talking about your motivation. Why are you doing this project? Okay, you continue. Okay, I'll come back later. Stephen, your turn. All right, Benelli, how are you?
Hi.
Okay. Stephen, I'll jump to Benelli, okay?
Okay.
Benelli, you get started, okay? Benelli, can you check your Java? Let me see where you are. Click Java, yeah. So I think right now I would suggest you to go for this one first. Don't go for level 3. Level 3 too hard for you. AP is designed for AP exam, so I think that's actually more suitable for you. Even though I suggest you to finish everything, but AP1 is actually more for AP, okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. One more problem. What are you trying to do? It said that return true if they are score of 100 next to each other in the array. No, you do it, overdo it. So this one, I think that you starting from 0 down to this, that's okay, but you actually just need to next to each other, they are a list. So I think you just need to, this one. I'm not sure why you choose a very difficult way to check it. It doesn't mean that you need to have a pair of 100 in the array that show up to be the neighborhood. That's it. You actually overdo it, right? Hi, Benny, are you okay?
Yeah.
You overdo it, right?
Yeah.
Think too much. Okay, I'll get back, okay? Next one, go back to Sherry. Sherry, your turn. Sherry, any questions so far?
No.
To practice this set is to help you to get organized for your own code, to make sure your code is compatible with the problem, okay? And then you will be able to answer the question in the exam. So go up a little bit. The overall purpose is more like why are you doing this? Your motivation for doing this. So you say many elementary school struggle with fracturating number. Okay, the overall purpose of this project is to teach students to factorize a number. I mentioned a number by showing them in the proper steps. Okay, this one, okay. Now, functionality. Functionality means that you need to provide the major functions and talking about what is the input, what the output you will get, what is the middle processing will be now. So functionality means that how it works, how your program works.
Okay.
Okay, just go ahead and answer this question as how your program works. And your program break down into 3 pieces: the input of the number, and then calculation engine to factorize the number. And the third part is the output of the showing how the different factors.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can also tell the people that this program is based on the recursive successive division. Every time you have a number, you keep dividing it. That's your core algorithm called successive division, right? We teach you every time you find the smallest factor, right?
Yeah.
So that's what your functionality should be. Okay, go ahead. So this APCSP a little bit like what? A little bit like A push or AP Euro. The first the FRQ part actually is some kind of writing problems. Okay,
Mhm.
you must be able to organize the main idea and present it in the right way. Okay, you continue, okay? I'll come back to it.
Okay.
This one, let me have Stephen. Stephen, your turn. Okay, Stephen, you continue to finish it up, okay? You still not finish it up. Just focus finishing it up. So you need to finish up early because you still have a lot of things to do. The write up, the creation of video, still a lot of things to do. Okay, continue, okay?
Okay.
This one, let me have Sherry. Sherry, your turn. We go back to the original order, okay? Sherry, your turn. All right, Sherry, hear me?
Yeah.
Prime number. Until the quotient become a prime number. Yeah. the quotient become a prime number. Then it will stop, right? It is the last prime number you have. Okay, so we basically talk about your algorithm and how you do it already, right?
Yes.
Good enough.
Mhm.
So go to your input and output. Okay, roughly okay. Then you start to do 3B. Okay.
Okay. So like 3B, it's just like capture and paste two program segments you developed.
Yeah, you have to show people where the code is. So you need to show where the you go to your code.org, take a screenshot on your code, say this is the array that I'm using.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You need to identify an array. Where is your array? You have to find it.
Oh, okay.
Did you use an array or not?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, then you need to show where the array is.
Okay. Wait, like how I was just curious, like how would you like maybe like for example on test, like how would I like screenshot my code is
Screenshot your code. Okay, let me show you. I don't know how other people do, okay, but let me show you mine. So let's assume that actually I have a YouTube, whatever, okay. So let's assume that I want to take this part, this is actually graphic, I like it, right?
Mhm.
So I'm using this thing called, this one called Screen Hunter 7. So click, and then I go to here and select this one.
Mhm.
And then this picture is there. And right here, it would have save image. Okay, it was saved to a directory that I can, I set up the file name style, and then the file type. I usually save a PNG file, and then I have a directory that I've saved to. So this one you can save it like that. Okay, so to download this Screen Hunter, you can do. I know that Screen Hunter 7, you need to pay for maybe $4 or $5. The one I'm using, you need to pay $4 or $5. But Screen Hunter,
I
but
think there's like some like Windows screenshot.
6.0 is free. You can try 6.0 for free. I think this is Sonic. This one probably I downloaded before. Okay, whatever. So just download this. Screen Hunter is free. The screenshot actually, you may take the whole screen. That's not you want. This one is actually you can select the region that you want to take a picture. That's the advantage that it has. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You can take the whole screen. There's one way you can take the whole screen. So say Windows screenshot. There's a key like print screen to copy the whole screen. It's a copy the whole screen. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There's a print screen. You know where is a print screen?
Yes.
Print
Yeah, I know.
screen. There's a key called print screen.
Yeah, print screen.
Yeah. But that will take the whole screen to clipboard, and then you still need to delete it. That's not easy to do.
Mhm.
So I suggest you to use a Screen Hunter. And if you are okay to pay $4, $5, you can work on the free format, okay, or plus, whatever. For Screen Hunter 7. I'm using 7. I pay $4-5 for it. One time only. One time fee. Okay. I'm using this Screen Hunter 7 free. I've been using this quite a few years, and every time when I need to do my project, I'm using it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go back to Banani, your turn. For Banani and Sherry, when you go to your college, usually they need you to bring your own laptop. So if you have your laptop already, you have your notebook computer already, then you are fine. If you don't, you probably need to get one, okay? If you go to college,
Yeah.
usually they don't prepare a computer for you, especially the public schools, okay? You need to bring your own laptop. Usually, I think that a lot of universities will suggest you to bring your own. But then you hear me?
Yeah.
This one is Windows 3. Since you're comparing 3, 4, 5, and then with the difference within 2. So you are using the Windows 2, 3, not Windows 2. So here this one should be -2, not -1. You are a little bit overdo it. It said that it's increasing order, so there's no need to take the absolute value. Okay. So you basically use a score I minus score 2, I plus 2. That's it. Score I plus 2 minus score I minus 2, that's then equals 2. That's okay. Already okay. Go. Wait. Score. You should be I plus 2 minus score I. Score I minus 2. score I minus, you don't delete it, it's the same, score I plus two minus score I, the score minus I plus two is bigger. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
One more problem, okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do it? Hmm? You have a array, how do you do the first half and second half? This one is n divided by two. N divided by two is right here. So how do you actually do this one, the bigger average? You sum this one to first half, sum this part to second half, that's it, right? Hello? Hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Are you okay? Vanity, are you okay? Why you start from 0 again? You starting from the quarter length divided by 2 to the end of the array. You need to check which one is bigger. Sum 1 and sum 2, you need to check which one is bigger. And that one divided by non-star length divided by 2. Maximum of sum 1 comma sum 2. Maximum, you have to find the face among sum 1 among sum 2. Divided by str the length, score the length, divided by 2. Divide by 2. Go. Your number is always wrong. How comes your number is 1? It's divided by 2, you have to. No, here you need to take parentheses. Okay. Okay, go back to Stephen. Stephen, your turn. Okay, you continue, okay?
Okay.
Next one, Sherry, your turn.
Okay.
You have questions so far, Sherry?
No, I'm just kind of like thinking how to like
Mm.
to like organize my words.
Mm. I think that what they want to know is that what do you store in the data? So what you need to do just to say that this factor is an array of your prime factors. So whenever we generate a new factor, we divided a new factor, the factor will be collected to be put into this factor array. That's all you need to know.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You show in the for loop everything is fine, but you just need to tell people what is this array. The purpose is to answer the question, what is this array for?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And later you will see another problem is that, okay, when you use this array, how come that it reduce the complexity of the program? You need to answer this question. This one is why you create this array.
Mm-hmm.
And then later there's one, how you use this array to reduce the complexity of the program. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. That's why I still guiding student for this project because you may not know how to write a code, but you may not know how to write a report. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that's a guided practice. Okay? Okay, continue. I'll come back to check. Okay?
Okay.
And so let me go to Vanity. Vanity, you have another two problem. Okay? Okay, one more. New strings. Okay, good job. One more problem. Okay. This part still easy. Okay. This one go back to Stephen. Stephen, your turn.
Wait, Mr. Eric, where do you think I can use iteration?
You need to use iteration, yeah?
But like I don't know where to use it.
You have to find it. I don't know either.
Okay.
You should have a place that you use a function. You should have a place that you use a if then else. You should also use a for loop, while loop, and you also need to use array. That's the minimum that you need to have in the program. Okay, but you need to find it. Okay, think about it.
Okay.
Okay, you continue. Okay. Next one, let me have Sherry. We will have only 4 minutes left, so probably this is the last rotation. Sherry, any question?
No. I wrote like this part. Um,
Yeah, that's okay.
Mhm.
You work on the part two. Part two showing where it is called used, right? And you need to tell how it's used to simplify the problem. That's it. Okay.
okay.
Okay, you continue. Not a problem. You continue. Okay. Continue to for other problems. Okay, let me have Vanelli, and we are going to finish this session. Vanelli, your turn. For Stephen and Sherry, both you need to speed up, okay?
Okay.
Because you still need to work on the multiple choice part. And also you need to create video and another thing to do, okay?
Okay.
Let's work harder. Okay, good job. This can be, you still need to come to the non-star length. You have to have another counter that's using C equals 0 to count the number of the even numbers. So here index plus. Here, yeah. Here index all about and here is and the index less than count and index less than count and right here right num start length and index less than count. Go. Is that okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, we are open 9 o'clock, so keep working hard, okay? Everyone need to work harder to catch up. Okay, good night then. Bye-bye.
Thank you.